Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cursed Olaf on Dress to Impress. Firstly, I'm just going to get the outfit. I'm just going to get this cupcake and color it in all white. Then I'm going to get the fur jacket here in white, in matte as well. And then this too in white, in all white, like the pink jacket here. And then I'm going to also get this one in all white. And then I'm going to also get these pants. This one in white and matte. There we go. Now for the cursed Olaf, hopefully I got this right. Select this hat, color it white. Position the Y at 0. Rotate the X to 0.19. The Y at 0.44. The Z at 0.52. And we're going to scale it to 0.42. Then we are going to get this hat here in white in matte. And then we're going to position the X at 0.84. And then the Y at 0.5, Z 0.33. And then we're going to rotate the X to 0.52, the Y to 0.30, and then the Z to 0.90. Then we're going to scale it to 0.47. Get the face mask here in white and silk. I don't know why it's in silk though. Position the Y at 0.9, the Z at 0.21, rotate the X to 0, and scale it to 1. Then we are going to get this hat in white in matte. Position the X at 0.51, the Y at 0.93, and then rotate the X to 0.09 and scale it to 0.65. Then we're going to get this bonnet in white. And then for this one, we're going to color it matte as well, like for the material. Position the Y to 0.73, the Z at 0.43. This is gonna be so cursed. I already know it. I can see the shape already. Rotate the X to 0 and scale it to 0.64. Okay. Now we're going to get this hat over here. We're going to color it white again. And then for this one, we're going to position the X at 0.13. The Y at 0.52. The Z at 0.47. Rotate the X to 0. The Y at 0.46. The Z at 0.03. And scale it to 0.57. Does that look like Olaf's head already? Because it's looking like... Okay, we need like a few more items. We need a lot of items. I'm just going to get this ear star earmuffs. And then for this one, I'm going to position the X to 0.61, the Y to 0.74, the Z to 0.20. Then rotate the X to 0.75. The Y to 0, the Z to 0.57, and we're going to scale it to 0.4, like this. Okay, we need a few more items. I'm just going to get this one, the like headbands in white and then in black for the eyes. For that one, wait, I think it's for the eyes. Scale it to 0.45. Position the X to 0.49. The Y to 0.81. Z to 0.30. Rotate the X to 0.26. And then the Y to 0.54. Whoops. The Z to 0.30. Oh my god, I don't think I'm supposed to. What? Oh no, you're not supposed to rotate the Z to 30. It's just 0.49, sorry. Okay, now, oh my god, this looks horrible. This looks horrifying. Now we need like a few more items. Okay, I'm going to get this first. I think it's this one. The like, I don't know what it's called. You're going to color it black and you're going to scale it to 0.49. Rotate the X to 0.64. The Y to 0.98. The Z to 0.51. For the position, you are going to do 0.49 here. The Y at 0.94. And then the Z is at 0.42. Okay, this is for one of the eyebrows. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I forgot we need this hat too. In, I think, all black. Yeah. For this one, we're going to scale all the way down to 0. Position the X to 0.52. Y at 0.80. Z 0.26. Rotate the X to 0.08. The Y to 0.93. The Z to 0.31. Look at that beautiful smile. Oh my god, like, oh, dear god. Okay. Get the halo thingy. Where is it? Hello? Wait, where's the halo? It's supposed to be here, right? Oh my gosh, I'm blind. Okay, it's here. And you're going to want to color it black as well for this. For this one, position the X to 0.49. The Y to 0.43. And then rotate the X to 0. The Y to 0.42. The Z to 0.55. And scale it to 0.53. God, I think there's something wrong with that hat. Hold on, let me open this hat positioning again. Sorry, position the X to 0.52, Y 0.8, A6, rotate it to 0.8, Y 0.93. I think it should be like the other part of his brows, but I don't know why it looks like this. It should be here. Let me get, okay, let me use something else first. Actually, never mind. I don't think that should be the eyebrows. Okay, get this hat and color it black like the cap. Scale it to 0.25. And then position the X at 0.6. And then the Y to 1. The Z to 0.32. Rotate the X to 0.63. Y 0.24. Z at 0.45. And scale it. Oh, okay. We already did scale it. I might rotate this a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm supposed to like rotate it this way. And then there. Like, to be honest, I don't know. Okay. It's supposed to be like at the end here, so that's the new positioning for that. Okay, what else do I need to use? All right. So for, I I don't know, I'm just going to get the pearl earrings in black, and I'm just going to scale it all the way to 1. Position the X at 0.37, the Y at 0.54, Z at 0.46. Then you're going to rotate the X to 0.83, the Y to 1, the Z to 0.13, and I'm just going to, oh, that's for like the button. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 more, what? Nope, 5 more items. I'm going to get the horns here, and I'm going to color it this color. So 5C, 4A, 3C. And then for the horns, scale it to 0.27. Position the Y at 0, and then the Z to 0.36. And then for this one, rotate the X to 0. Oh my god, what is this even for? Oh no, rotate the X to 0.75. Y at 0. And then Z at 0.31. Okay, this is for the lake. 31. Hello. Okay. And then I'm going to get this thing in all white, the like hat. For this one, scale it to 0.34, rotate the X to 0, and position the Y at 0.24. Did I do white and okay? I'm supposed to color that in white and matte. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to get this for the nose, and I'm just going to color it orange. This orange. You can color it to whatever orange you want. And then scale it to 0.84. And position the Y at 0.84. And then we're going to rotate it all the way to 0 for the X. Oh my god, this looks so cursed. We need now 2 more items. Okay, we need this. And I think we just need to color it like brown. So I'm going to color it the same as the hairs he have like on his like head. So I'm just going to save that color real quick. So I'm just going to color it all the same color in matte 2. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to scale it all the way to 1. And then position the Y at 0. And then the Z at 0.80. And then for the rotation, X at 0. And one more item. I'm sorry this tutorial is so long. Select this flower and color it all black. And then for this one, scale it to 0. Position the X at 0.46. The Y at 0. The Z at 0.27. Rotate the X to 0.38. The Y at 1. Whoops. And then the Z at 0.48. And there we go. You have your cursed Olaf on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I said that already. And if you have any questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.